Hello everyone, this is my EET 402 capstone project. My name is Brett Holt. My instructor is Dr. Ali Setudininya for ECPI University, and my project is a house alarm system. There are various parts of this Dragon 12 light board that are going to be used. We have the LCD screen, some LEDs, some dip switches to control everything, a buzzer which will make the sound, and the RGB light which will change colors. The LCD is run by port K, the LEDs are run by port B, the dip switches are tied into port H, and the buzzer is tied into port P. The RGB is enabled by port M and controlled by port P. So, I wanted to have some external hardware. I ordered some sensors to use on this, but of course this is VCC 5 volts DC, and the sensors that I ordered only work with alternating current, so that didn't exactly turn out the way I wanted it to. So in turn, I've used these switches to simulate a sensor being disrupted on a door or a window. If I was going to be successful with those sensors, I would have used pins PK7 through PK4 in a pull-up switch manner with a 4.7 k ohm resistor, and it would be wired to the VCC for 5 volts and then from the sensor to the MCU with the resistor in between. But once again, that didn't get to happen. So let's get into seeing how this program works. The program is started. You can see that I have the system disarmed with a red RGB light. None of my switches are high. So to enable the system, I have it set to dip switch 8, and that controls PB0, so you get the indication that we have power, get the indication on the LCD. So say Joe Bad comes to my house. Oh, and we also have the green for enabled up here. So he comes to the house and he wants to break in, so he breaks through the door, which I have tied into switch 1. I get the accompanying LED, LD7, or PB7 rather. I get the alarm code written to the LCD saying the front door is now open. The buzzer is buzzing a distinct alarm sound, and my RGB turned blue. So I go to the door, well, wherever I have my user interface mounted to the wall, I reset it. It was just the wind blowing the magnet around, everybody's safe. The system is back to being enabled. Well, the next day Joe Bad comes back and says, well, I'm going to break in this window. So by flipping dip switch 2, I get my LCD screen display, window number 1. You can tell that the buzzer is making a different noise. I've programmed it to make a different noise for each alarm by changing the timer sensor system control register 2 value. And the only reason I did this is because, hey, I'm in bed at night, the user interface is in the living room. I can tell just by which alarm is ringing which door or window is being messed with without even being able to see the screen here. So that was window number 1. I've reset my system. My system is enabled. I Go to window number 2. Once again, a different sound, so now I know, hey, window number 2, something's going on over here. I also get my RGB blue light, the accompanying LED, and the different sounding alarm. I reset my system. And the 4th is the 3rd window, which makes a different buzzer noise. I get the different indication saying that we have a problem with the blue light, and once again the LCD screen is displaying that window number 3 is being interrupted. This will conclude my capstone project. Once again, my name is Brett Holt, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your company. Have a good day.